All right, so I've got my little tunnel project going here. Uh, Looking pretty decent. We still have, a lot of very visible plane changes happening around the edges. So I am wondering if I don't just use the smoothing tool in sculpt mode to just kind of make that less significant. I don't think I feel the need to go crazy on it, but I think that's something we could do. So let me just kind of get into a view. We'll change over to sculpt mode. I've got the smooth tool selected. Um, Strength, I don't know. I, we'll try maybe 50%. Radius, let's see. Let's just kind of get in here. And I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of work quickly around the edge and just kind of go along, look for where the seams are visible. Actually, before I do that, let's Control Z a couple of times. And let's actually take a look at this in edit mode just to get a sense of what the geometry is looking like. I have a little bit of a before and after. All right, it's looking pretty nice and consistent. So let's just go back to the view we were in. Let's go into sculpt mode again. And we'll just zoom in a bit. And I think that's exactly it. I'm just going to kind of look for where I clearly see those seams and just kind of run down with the smoothing tool selected and just do a little bit of something like that. And push 3 and get into a side view. And just kind of continue. Again, I'm not going to get too uptight about this. I think I'm just trying to make it less distinct. That's all. So let's just move around a bit. And I think we'll just kind of do the same thing. Just kind of move down. Look around the edge a bit. Yep. A little bit right there. A little less distinct right there. Yeah. Now let's just that's just the very top portion, but let's just take a minute, go back into edit mode, and yeah, the geometry still looks reasonable. I think that's pretty good. So I think I'll just go ahead and quickly do that throughout the rest of the mesh, and we will call this okay for now.